Romancing the Ozarks, a treasury of short stories by authors from the Ozarks, is a 235-page anthology published by Starship Press in 2009 and features members of Ozarks Romance Authors, a registered nonprofit group for writers in the Southwest Missouri region. The group began in 1987, focused on romance fiction, but through the years has evolved to become essentially a multi-genre group, with members working on and published in many genres of fiction as well as nonfiction, poetry, essays, journalism, and photography. Authors featured in this anthology include Jean Rosenow, Kathy Mullins, Deborah Shawless, Betty Inman Scott, Diana Locke, Jennifer Litteken, Maureen Howell, Harriet Ford, Pat Elliott, Dawn Waterman, Kay Calkins, Barbara Huddleston, H.G. Stratman, Mary Ellen Stratman, Carrie Lynn Holly, Sandra Allman, Ruth Hunter, and Georgiana Myers. The acknowledgments from inside the book read, "Special thanks are extended to the authors who contributed to this collection of short fiction stories. All of them are residents of the Ozarks, an area of the United States which includes much of the southern half of Missouri, as well as a large part of northern Arkansas. This region not only abounds in beautiful geography, but is also rich with its unique cultural inheritance. Great appreciation is also extended to Ruth Hunter for interior text design, Kathy Mullins for cover art, and Deborah Shawless, Diana Locke, Jean Rosenow, Barbara Huddleston, Kay Calkins, and Harriet Ford for editorial assistance. Virginia Polans, Mary Ellen Stratman, and a host of many others added their encouragement and support to this project, which fills a niche in literary anthologies. To all those named and unmentioned, a heartfelt thank you. For more information about this anthology and Ozarks Romance Authors, please visit our website, ozarks-romance-authors.com.